You are in the corner.
In the gun.
Alright people, welcome back to my channel. My channel is Aceh Sponto Sesio. Alright, this morning we want to turn the forest mega fair. When I got from the airport, Sultan Kanamuda has spent 10 hours from Banda. Here we not only we will see about beautiful view, panorama, air, and then the sky there, but also over there the beach or the sea there, and then how big is this? Like 10 10 kilometers everywhere and wide and length, and then let us every single street or every single house break down. Our government here or Langsa we invite a lot of visitors, tourists everywhere to invite a lot of tourists to visit Aceh. So one more thing, don't forget to visit Aceh, for example Aceh Banda Aceh or Great Aceh, Sabang Island or Banyak Island, or this is very awesome Cobar Forest Grove Margo. So we have to prepare to invite. We have to prepare about languages, tourist guides, travel agents, anything. Prepare about mobile or vacation, anything. So don't forget to visit Aceh. Alright, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel because I would want to promote my growing 5 countries, Europe, United States, Australia, Switzerland, Middle East to 5 countries. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget.
Pakai juga bangunan ini, pakai juga bangunan kayak mana lagi kayak. Betul, mana lagi.